Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows Security Center service cannot be started Windows 11 or Windows 10. To start, in the search box, enter Regedit. Open the registry editor and click Yes to authorize. Now go to the path you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here, select the start value, double-click on this value. Confirm that the value data shows the number 2. If necessary, apply the changes. After this, open Windows Services from the search box. There, select and double-click on the service called Security Center. We will validate that in Startup type there is the option Automatic Delayed Start. If it allows you, click on Start. Close this window. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.